we are going to cover dictionaries in Python in great detail. So welcome everyone in today's video and join me as I take on the challenge of mastering dictionaries in Python from scratch. Let's see if I can make it simple and interesting one for everyone. I will start with only 2 minutes for the theories. What is dictionary in Python and what are the usage of dictionaries in Python? Then we will jump into the code, VS Code, and see how we can create dictionaries in Python, how we can access items in a dictionary, how we can add or remove items from a dictionary, and how we can iterate over dictionary. So you see, we are going to cover a lot today. Watch the videos till end so that you will understand all the nitty-gritty in the dictionary. I'm sure you are going to enjoy today's one. So without wasting any more time, let's jump in today's video, dictionaries in Python. Dictionary is a data structure that allows us to easily write very efficient code. In other language, dictionary also known as hash table because its keys are hashable. It's also known as associative array. Now in Python, it's known as a key value pair. You can also think them as a lookup table. For example, this particular table, we have a country name and capitals of those countries. Or this particular table, where we have a name of the person and the age of those person here. You can see that this particular country table, the keys are the country name. Person table, where keys are the name of the person. Now you want to know what's the capital of India, then you can use India as the key here to get this value New Delhi. Or what's the capital of United States? You can use United States as a key here to get Washington DC. Same like if you want to know what's the age of Harry, you can use Harry as the key here to get the age 30. It's a key and value pair where you can use the key to get the value out of it. But one thing you need to understand that these keys are the unique. So that actually allows us to quickly access the value. So it's always a good idea to use dictionary whenever you want to find a certain Python object. Now you can tell that why can't we use list for this particular scope? But lists are much slower than dictionary because the speed comes due to the fact that dictionary keys are hashable. So if you need to quickly access an element mapped to a specific unique key, then choose to dictionary, because dictionary is much faster if you want to access a specific element because they have a constant runtime. Now you say, what is constant runtime? Constant runtime is, let's say you have 100 key and value pair. Now over that time it increased to 1 million. Now, if you want to access a particular value with the using key from this particular dictionary, it will take the exactly same time what it was taking when it was 100 key value pair. So you see, it's a constant runtime. That's why dictionary are so efficient when you want to access values using the unique keys. Okay. Now enough all the theories. Now let's jump into our VS Code to see practically how we can create dictionary and how you can do other stuff with dictionary. So we understood dictionaries are unordered collection and the key values pair. Now how you can create a dictionary? There are different methods you can create dictionary. One of them is the curly braces method. So here I am taking a variable mydic. I can create an empty dictionary with this curly braces like this. So it will create an empty dictionary for me. See, it's created an empty dictionary. You can incrementally add values in this dictionary with the using key and values. So for example, here I am adding a value New Delhi here with the key India. So the syntax is the dictionary variable. Then in the square bracket, you are putting your keys here and it assigning with the equal sign the values on this particular key, New Delhi. Like that, another one, say I add United States and Washington DC is the value and United States is the key here. Print it and run this. You will see the dictionary has the values now. Previously it was empty. Then we added value incrementally. Now it has two keys, India and United States. India has a value New Delhi and United States has a value Washington DC. Now you can also create dictionary with the predefined value with the curly braces. It's a variable, dictionary variable. To a dictionary in the curly braces, I am using key value pair with the key is Tom with the colon. I am putting the value and I am separated each key and value pair with the commas. So like that, you can create dictionary with the predefined value. This particular dictionary created Tom 30, Harry's age is 32, Bob age is 29. Now once the dictionary has been created, if you want, you can update the value too. You want to remember the keys are unique. Now let's say I want to update the Harry's age to 35. I will do it very simple. So how you just use the Harry as a key and then you assign that your new value you want to update with. What it will happen is it will override the previous value. Previously it was 32. Now it will become 35. Run it. Previously it was 32 Harry's. Now it is 35. So dictionaries are then mutable. That we understood. Now, what are the different data types you can use in values? Let me tell you, you can use any data type as a value in dictionary. It can be integer, it can be float, it can be list, it can be another dictionary, it can be set, tuple, you name it, boolean, anything you can use as a value of a dictionary. But for keys, remember you can only use those data types in Python which are immutable. So dictionary keys are immutable. Just keep in mind because they are unique. So list and dictionary or subset you cannot use as a dictionary keys because list and dictionary, these are mutable data type. Another way you can create dictionary with the dict constructor method. So when you're using the dict constructor method, that time you can create using the keyword argument list. Let's see how. So here I am creating the dictionary with this dict constructor. You see what I am passing? I am passing a keyword argument list, right? Here my key is name. I am passing the value Alice. Then key is age. I am passing value 16. Grade passing A and subject economics. And you see each of the key value pair I separated by commas. So like this way you can create a dictionary. You see the dictionary got created. So in the same method you can also use a list of tuple also. Okay, in the dict constructor. So like something like this. So here we have dict constructor. In the parentheses I am passing the list of tuples. Okay, that in the tuples the first element is the key and the second element is the value. Here name is key, Chris is value, age is key, 18 is value. Passing this list of tuple into this dict constructor and it will create a dictionary for me. A dictionary got created. Instead of list of tuple, you can also use the list of list also. Another way you can create a dictionary that called the from keys method. But here we need to understand it. When you're using this from keys method, the values will be always same. For all the keys, the values are same. Let me show you an example. See, we have a list like this, A, E, I, O, U. So from this particular list, we can use them as a key to create a dictionary with this from keys method. So how we'll do it? Say I have a dictionary called vials, executing this method from keys, and the method argument or parameter is this particular list of name, right? So A, E, I, O, U, these will be my keys. So list of keys I am passing as a argument. And here if you do, this is optional, the second parameter or second argument. If you do not pass it, it will set as a none happening. You see the dictionary has been created for A, for E, for I, for O or U. All these keys, the values are same, vowel. So let's say if I don't pass any value here, this is optional I said, right? What will happen? Then it will create a dictionary for me, but it will create a value will be none. So I hope it is clear to you. Different methods to create dictionaries. Okay. Let's see how you can access items in a dictionary. We have a dictionary like student dictionary and we have a different keys name, age, grade and subject. If you want to get the value of this dictionary, then there are two ways you can do that. One is dictionary variable here, and in the square bracket you are using name to get the value. Name is the key. You are using the keys to get the value of this particular key associated with it. So you will get Alice here, right? Like that, another key is like age. If you use that, then you will get the age 16 here. Let's run it. You see, I got Alice for the first one, name key, and for age, I got 16. Perfect. There is another way also you can get the values here from dictionary, that is with the get method. Okay, how it works? Simple. You have the student dictionary with you, the variable. With the dot operator, you invoke the get method in the dictionary. and the get method, you will pass your key as the argument. There is another argument also, takes an optional argument. I will show you after this. But this is one of the argument. You can pass the key and you will get the value of it. Let's run it. You see, I got the grade A. So we see there are two ways you can get the access items on a dictionary. One is in the square bracket, you pass the keys there in the square bracket, or you can also use the get method, and the get method, the argument, you will pass the key and you will get the value. Now let's say you are trying to get access of a key which does not exist. Here address is a key which does not exist in this dictionary. What will happen? Run it. It will give an error. It will give us a key error because it says that this particular address key does not exist. Fair enough, right? Let me tell you one thing. If instead of using the square bracket method, if you use the get method here to get the access the items from the dictionary where the particular key does not exist, in that case you will not get any error. Instead of that, it will tell you that you got none because that particular key doesn't exist. In that case, you are not getting a. So it's more safe, right? The get method, because if the key doesn't exist, then also you will not get any error. There is another optional parameter is there for the get method. What is that? With this get method, when you're passing the keys, you can also pass the default values. So what will happen if the key does not exist, then it will return the default value for you. You see, as the key does not exist, it return the Toronto, Canada, this default value, what I passed. Clear, right? So like that, the get method works. But that doesn't mean that it will create a new keys and values there in the part of the dictionary with the get method. That will not happen. That's why I just printed it to show you. It didn't change the dictionary here. Now, if you want to know that what are the keys there is a method that is called .keys method. It will give you the list of the keys. Syntax is very easy. You have the dictionary with you. Now with the dot operator, you are executing the method keys here and you are assigning this return value to a particular variable student dict keys. And if you print it, you will see you will get a list of keys. Like that, you can also get a list of values too with the values method. Here, same thing with the student dictionary. With the dot operator, I executed the values method. It will return the values as a list, and I'm storing that particular list in this particular variable, student dict values. Let's print both of them. The keys here as a list, dictionary keys, and these are dictionary values I got as a list. Hope this will clear the concept and how we can access items in a dictionary. There are two ways. One is the square bracket method and one is the get method. Get method is more safe because if that particular key doesn't exist, it will not throw any error. It will just return none. And there is two methods we saw, keys and values. The dot keys method give you the list of keys and dot values method will give the list of values. Let's see how you can add items to a dictionary. So there are two ways you can add items to a dictionary. Let's start with, we have a dictionary where we gave the name HP_dict. This is the variable name. Now in the dictionary, we have the different Harry Potter character and what are the houses they are in. Just like Harry Potter is a Gryffindor, Ron is Gryffindor. By the way, Harry Potter is one of my favorite one, okay? So now let's print it. So we have the dictionary, okay? If you want to add items to a dictionary, one way to do that with the square bracket method. Say I am adding James Potter, this new key in this dictionary with a value Gryffindor. James Potter was from the Gryffindor, Harry Potter's father, right? See, James Potter got added into the dictionary. Great. So this is one of the method. Perfect. Now there is another way also you can add items in the dictionary, that is called the update method. How it works? Very easy. You have the dictionary variable with you. You invoke the update method with the dot parameter and you pass the value in the parenthesis. Like here, my Snape is the key and the value is the Slytherin. Just notice that I am not using the quotation when I am using this one in the update method. This is something I just want to bring your notice. Okay, run it. You see the snap has been added in the as a Slytherin. Perfect. So we know how the update method works, but update method is majorly useful when you want to merge dictionary or add new key value pairs using a iterable like tuples or list. Let me give an example, then it will be clear to you. Let's say I have dictionary like this. We have Albus Dumbledore, which is in Gryffindor, and Luna Lovegood, also in Ravenclaw. This is another dictionary. Now I want to merge this dictionary to our original HP Dicts dictionary. How will do it? Very easy. This syntax, original dictionary HP Dict, then you are invoking the update method with the dot parameter. You are passing your dictionary which you want to merge with the original one, that passing as an argument here at ch_1, this one passing. Or you can also do the same thing with a list of list also. So here I have another one, the Draco Malfoy from the Slytherin, Cedric also from Huff and Puff. This is a list of list I have. Now I can add this, do the same thing. I can update using the update method. I can update this one also, merge this one also. Let's see how it will, both the merged. So let's see how it looks like. Let's print it. See, all the three dictionary merged, and I got my new dictionary like this, where I have Albus Dumbledore and the Luna Lovegood was merged with the with the update method from a dictionary, and this another one, the list of list, this particular sequence, iterable, I added with the update method again, where Draco Malfoy and Cedric also added with this update method. So you understand how update method works, right? Hope it clears to you. Now we are going to see how you can remove items from a dictionary. Before doing that, I want to remind you, here we are seeing the introduction of the dictionary, or the basic things what we can do with the dictionary. But we are going to have more videos on dictionary with the different methods of dictionary, and also dictionary comprehension, and some practical uses of dictionary. So we'll see these in other videos, upcoming videos. Now let's go to the how we can remove items from a dictionary. Let's have our old new Harry Potter dictionary, where we have all the Harry Potter characters. Let's print it first. Now there are two ways you can remove items from a dictionary. So one is that we're using the del function. So how it works is very easy syntax, the del function. With the del is the command, and then you will have your dictionary variable, and in the square bracket you will pass the key which you want to delete. So I want to delete the Draco Malfoy. We are passing the Draco Malfoy as the key into the square bracket. Let's run it. You see Draco is no more there. It's deleted. There is another way also you can delete items for a dictionary. That is a pop method. Let me show you. This pop method syntax is very easy. So your dictionary variable, and you are calling this pop method with your dot notation, okay? And what you are passing the key which you want to delete. Okay, now I'm going to delete Luna Lovegood. Okay, so in the pop method, I am passing the Luna Lovegood as a key to delete it. Luna Lovegood has been deleted from this new dictionary. So hope it's clear. There are two ways you can remove items from the dictionary. Use the del method, where in the square bracket you're passing the keys which you want to delete. Another is a pop method, which you execute with the dot notation, and you are pass the key as the one of the argument in the pop method, and it will delete that particular items from the dictionary. The last item I want to cover in this video, how we can iterate over a dictionary. So do that. Let's have a dictionary first. We have the HP dictionary here. Okay, now if you want to iterate over, on this dictionary with the for loop, you can write something like this, right? Normal for loop. Here character is the iterative variable, HP dictionary, your dictionary, the iterable, and you are printing the iterative variable here. When you print it, you see one problem is it's only getting keys. It's not getting the value of the dictionary. To get that, let me show you how there is a way where you can get both key and value pair. So here what I am going to use is the items method. So what I am doing is I am executing this item method with a dot parameter in the for loop with the HP on the top of HP dictionary. What it will give me is it will give me the tuples. For each iteration, it will give me the tuple of key and value pair. The first iteration it give me Harry Potter Gryffindor. Second iteration will give me Ross Weasley Gryffindor, and third iteration it could give me Harmony Gryffindor. Okay, let's print it. One thing also, if you notice that here I am using two variables. What it is doing is nothing but is doing the unboxing. So when you getting the tuple from here, it unboxed and assigned to the different variables. So key assigned to the character, value assigned to the house variable. And I am just printing it and giving a separator so that it will be easy to understand. You see how I got it? I got both the key and value pair. So first iteration I got the Harry Potter in the key character and assigned to the character variable, and a value assigned to the house variable. And next one I got the Ron, and last one I got the Harmony. So now you understood, right, how you can iterate over dictionary. So you need to use the dot items, this particular method. It will give you the key and value pair as a tuple for each iteration, and you unbox in and assign to the two different variables, so you will get both the key and values in the iteration. Hope it clears to you. So in this video we covered all the basic things from the dictionary, how we can create a new dictionary, how you can add items, remove items, or you can access items from a dictionary, how you can iterate over dictionary. We covered few methods also. You see there are 11 methods here. If we ignore the dunder methods, I am going to create a new video on covering all the methods in the dictionary. Also, I am going to cover another video where I cover the advanced usage of dictionary on the different use cases, and also the dictionary comprehension. There are some few advanced topics there. I am going to cover in other videos, upcoming videos. So stay tuned. And as usual, I am going to give all the source code, today's source code. I am going to give it to the, upload to the Git repository, and you can download it from there. I will give the link of the Git repository in the description box as well as the comment section. Hope you liked today's video and you able to understand and you able to learn new things. Still have any issue or facing any problem, then please feel free to put in the comment section. I will try my best to help you there. And if you like today's video or enjoyed it, please hit the like button and share with others. If you are not member in this channel yet, not subscribed yet, then please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, so that you will get notification when we upload new videos and content, and which I do every week. At least I upload 2 videos every week, and you will get the notification, which will help you in your coding journey. So see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning, happy coding. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with others. If you are new to this channel and not subscribed yet, then please hit the subscribe button so that you will get notified when I upload new content. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and happy coding.